There are several ways for us to visualize what happens to numbers when we add them to or subtract them from other numbers. We can use blocks, number lines, decomposition, and the standard algorithm. In this video, we will discuss adding and subtracting numbers using the standard algorithm, which is one of the most common ways of adding and subtracting big numbers. Adding and subtracting numbers using blocks, the number line, and decomposition are great ways for us to understand what happens during addition and subtraction, which may not be obvious when we only know how to use the standard algorithm. The other ways of adding and subtracting numbers are well and good until we have to work on larger numbers. Say we want to add 40,571 and 14,216. If we use blocks, whoa, that's going to require us to have or draw a lot of blocks. So let's try to draw 40,571 blocks. Let's try drawing 40,571 blocks. I mean, let's not even try to do it. That's just so much number of blocks, right? Now, if we use the number line, it's also going to take us some time when we keep on jumping by thousands and hundreds and tens and then adding them all up just to perform this operation. So let's say we have 40,571 on the number line, and then what we do is we're going to jump by 10,000 plus 10,000, and then we're going to jump by another 4,000. This 10,000 is 4,000, and then we're going to jump by 200, and then jump by 10, and then jump by 6, and then do the addition, 50,571, and then we add 4,000 to it, that would be 54,571, and then we add plus 200, so at this point it's going to be 54,771, and then at this point we're going to add 10, that's 54,781, and then at this point we add an additional 6, so that's 54,787. As for decomposition, it's faster than the two other methods I mentioned, but it's still going to take a longer time. However, if we want to add or subtract quickly, we can just use the technique called the standard algorithm.